ओ माय गॉड आज का दिन तो अच्छा नहीं जाएगा, तो वैसा ही होगा, दिन अच्छा नहीं जाएगा. इफ वी विल थिंक पॉजिटिव कि आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा जाएगा, इफ वी विल क्रिएट द माइंड सेट दैट द डे विल बी वेरी गुड, देन द
Lines about life, right? Ki, like past is gone.
Yes.
Future is uncertain. Present is the moment that we should enjoy and we should live. And there was a well saying that ki life has many ups and downs and obstacles, right? Life gives us and teaches us something and gives us many lessons, right? That's why today we have Meenakshi ma'am and sitting in front of us, and she will be talking her views and points about actually life, like what is the meaning of life according to her. So like what do you want to say about the life? Like what do you think about life?
Life is a beautiful gift of God. We face many challenges in life, and we face happiness, sadness, everything in life. Yes.
So when we face happiness, then life goes very good.
Yes.
But when we face sadness, life goes very down. So what do you think about it? Like when life goes down, then how should we tackle this situation?
If life go happy, we feel happy. But sometimes when life goes negative, we always think negative. We always say God that why my life is so like that, and why others' life is very happy. We always try to find negative thoughts, and we become negative. Yes.
Right.
We always compare our life with those lives are happy.
Okay, so like you want to say that we always compare, and the comparison is such such a bad point, such a negative point, such a pessimistic point that it always tortures us. Like, so we should not compare ourselves. But especially what happens like when the girls go to the party or marriage, like you also go, right? So you compare your clothes to others, you compare your makeup to others, dressing sense to others, right? Like you not actually all the girls, I'm talking about the ladies, even our mama and I also like do this. So
I also do these types of things because it gives us happiness.
it gives us happiness.
Yes, actually we are the girls, and we like to see that what other girls has wear. We don't focus on boys, we focus on girls, that what she has wear. Yes.
But the point is like you are talking about that comparison is not the part of the life. So do you think that is it a productive comparison or is it a positive comparison to compare about clothes and makeup and dressing sense?
It depends on person to person. Some people always say that her dressing sense is bad, and some people will say positive about someone's dressing sense.
Right.
So it is depend on person to person.
Okay.
Yes.
So what type of person you are? Like
I'm a positive type of person because I like to live a life with happy and positively.
Okay, that's fantastic, impressive. But there was a line you written that ki after marriage what happens, life goes very in a very different way, and husband always has to accept that he is wrong, and wife says that yes you are right because you are saying yourself wrong. But it's a part of joke, but I just want to say that when we are wrong in the life, like sometimes we make a mistake, so what should we do that time if we are wrong?
If we make any mistake in our life, then we should learn from that mistake.
Okay.
Mistakes are good because we learn by making mistakes. If we will not do any mistake, we cannot learn anything. So mistakes are very important in our life.
But if I have made a mistake, and that mistake, that my fault has actually tortured someone or hurted someone, then in that situation what decision should I take actually?
In that situation, you should take a decision like you should convince that person, you should help them person, you should ask him about his situations, that from which situations that person is going through, and then you should help that person.
Okay.
Yes.
That's right. That's really great. So I should help that person, and I should convince that person that I made a mistake unintentionally, not intentionally. Right. What do you want to say, like when the life is completely broken, completely you are emotionally tortured, physically, not physically but emotionally and psychologically, like you are feeling nervous and down, then what is your lesson for that situation?
Okay, my lesson for that situation is always think positive and always think happy. We have only one life. If we will not live that one life in a happy way, in a positive way, then what will happen? If we wake up in the morning, if we make our mind like that, ओ माय गॉड आज का दिन तो अच्छा नहीं जाएगा, तो वैसा ही होगा, दिन अच्छा नहीं जाएगा. इफ वी विल थिंक पॉजिटिव कि आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा जाएगा, इफ वी विल क्रिएट द माइंड सेट दैट द डे विल बी वेरी गुड, देन द डे विल बी ऑल्सो गुड.
So how is your morning? Like what do you think in your morning when you wake up actually?
When I woke up, I thought that my day will be very good. Yes, I have a very positive view related to my life. I always think positive.
Okay, so it means that are you also attached to the nature and natural things?
Yes, I am very attached to the nature.
Like, what is your favorite, one of the most favorite of nature?
I like the greenery and peaceful places.
You like greenery and peaceful places. Do you think that it also gives us positive vibes?
Yes, it gives us positive vibes.
Okay, it gives
Yes.
us positive vibes. Okay, that is a really fantastic thing. But you know what happens? Life. There was a quotation about life that life teaches us, but live your life as it is the last day of your life, and learn in your life as you have to live for hundreds of years or thousands of years. How do you see life as living and as learning? Like, how should we live and how should we learn?
We should live and we should learn. We should do both the things together.
Together.
Yes.
Okay. But if learning is giving us some pressure, then
If it depends on person to person that how that person is taking that learning. If he is learning in a positive way and in a happy way, he is taking the things lightly and he is enjoying the things, then he can learn very easily. For example, this is happiness institute. If someone is coming and he is coming by pressure, oh my god, I cannot learn today, so he cannot learn. If somebody is coming by making a mindset that I will learn and I will enjoy the learning, then he will enjoy and he will learn.
so are you enjoying also this interview and this conversation?
This is my first interview and I am enjoying.
You are enjoying, right?
Yes.
So I hope that this is a really great going interview, right?
Yes.
So don't you think that when we talk first time or when we speak first time, we feel a lot of pressures and hesitation?
Actually, I am not feeling any type of that, but it is my first interview, so like 1 to 2%.
But you're looking very experienced, like you're talking in such a way that I'm getting so much lessons, so many lessons from you.
Because you are sitting in front of me, that's why.
So, like I'm sitting in front of you,
Yeah.
so I am not a very kind of good speaker, right?
Oh my God, you are running the institute since 10 years.
That's
So,
why.
Yeah.
Okay, but you are also part of that.
Yes, I am also part of that, and I feel happy to be the part of that.
Thank you so much. Okay, so thank you very much for talking to me about the life. And the last thing I would like to ask you, like, what is your message for the people that the last message that you want to give for the life?
I want to give a message that please, if you are facing any obstacles in your life, then take it lightly. Don't burden on yourself. Don't stress yourself. Always feel everything lightly. Yes, always help others. Don't make any taunt to anyone. Don't try to make anyone feel down. If you will do like that, then nobody will like you.
Right.
Be happy and make others happy also.
Right. Ladies and gentlemen, this was Meenakshi ma'am, and she has really given us a great lessons about life, that life is so beautiful because it is the gift of the God and gift of the parents. If you make any mistake, or that if you have tortured someone,
Yes.
then please apologize.
Yes, please.
All right, please make a sorry. All right.
Always say sorry. Don't be egoistic. Don't have attitude. Have attitude, but positive attitude. Don't be a negative attitude that I know everything. I am a most knowledgeable person. Nobody can speak in front of me when I am speaking. Don't have this type of attitude. These things will make you down in your life.
Exactly.
Yes.
You're right. Absolutely.
Yes.
Meenakshi ma'am has said that attitude, no attitude, no negative attitude, positive attitude only, no ego actually, right? So ego is actually a kind of poison, and no ignorance. If you have someone in your life, please notice, please care, please share, please value, and please give the importance. I hope Meenakshi's messages are going to make your life special and make you special and make your study and learning and life's moments special. Thank you very much everyone, and thank you ma'am.
Thank you, sir.